Emmy, card from Daddy in the mail today.
Yay!
Can you open it? Oh, boy!
I got Bunny Pop.
Yeah.
He's just silly. Read it.
It says, "Hey, baby. Daddy misses and loves you very much. I hope you and Mommy are having fun spending time together. I talked to Santa and he said you've been very good. So keep it up and you should have lots of nice presents for you. I am very proud of you and I can't wait to get home so we can play. I love you, Daddy."
Ah.
That was nice. We'll have to put that somewhere special. You keep it in your room. It sounds like a perfect place.